Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to clean the air filter from a cold air intake installed on a GM 5.3 LS engine. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, and projects. We will begin by opening the hood. We will start by removing the 4 fasteners that hold down the clear cover on the cold air intake. These 4 fasteners are removed with a 10mm socket and extension. The air filter is installed on a Chevrolet Silverado, but the process can be applied to other vehicles with reusable air filters. This air filter is known as a dry reusable air filter. It is called dry because it does not require additional oil to be applied to the filter. With the fasteners removed, the cover can be removed to access the air filter. Although not seen in this view, there is a clamp holding down the air filter which looks similar to the clamp on the lower right-hand corner of this view. The air filter clamp is loosened with an 8mm socket and extension. Once the air filter clamp is loosened, the air filter can be pulled out and removed. With the air filter removed, tape is used to cover the opening of the intake. A shop towel was used to wipe down the air filter box. A vacuum was used to clean the air filter box. Another shop towel was used to wipe away any remaining debris in the air filter box. The clear cover was installed on the air filter box without fasteners to help block debris from entering the air filter box. The air filter was moved to a shop sink to be cleaned. The air filter was lightly tapped down to loosen the debris. A brush with plastic bristles was then used to help clean the air filter. An air filter cleaner was sprayed to the outside of the filter. This cleaner was sprayed as much as possible between the pleats of the filter. Starting from the inside out, water was then used to rinse off the external debris along with the cleaning chemical. This process was repeated several times. The reddish color could be from the cleaning chemical, but it is more likely that it is the color of the filter stripping off with the cleaning chemical. There was still some debris deep between the pleats of the air filter. A pick tool was used to help remove the debris. Again, you will see that it is only when the cleaner is applied that the water is stained with the color. The pick tool was again used to scrape out additional debris. This process was done multiple times to get as much debris as possible off of the filter. Once satisfied with cleaning the filter, it was set up to dry. The filter holds water, so it may be good to tap, shake, or change the position of the filter every few minutes at the beginning of the drying process. A microfiber towel was used to help block debris from falling inside the air filter. Once the air filter was dry, the clear cover was again removed from the air filter box. The tape was then removed from the opening of the cold air intake. The air filter was installed over the cold air intake opening inside the air filter box. The fastener for this worm drive or worm gear type drive clamp can now be seen in this view. The clamp was tightened using an 8mm socket and extension. This was started by hand first so that the filter could be held straight while beginning to tighten the clamp. This was then finished with a ratchet. The clear cover was then set back into place over the air filter box. Although the fasteners can handle more torque, caution must be used not to over-tighten them considering that the cover is plastic. The torque wrench was set to only 30 pound-inches or 3.39 Newton meters for consistency across the 4 fasteners. Ideally, cleaning the air filter could be done annually or every 10,000 miles. Please keep in mind that this may also vary depending on the operating environment of the vehicle. The good thing about the clear cover on this air filter box is that it gives a quick glance to the air filter anytime that the hood is opened. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.